Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 4.10, Problem 4. This is Section 4.10, Problem 4. It says there are 12 inches in 1 foot. Part A, how many feet are in 60 inches? B, how many inches are in 60 feet? So with any type of unit conversion problem, I want to start with the amount that's given. I am given 60 inches. And I want to multiply it times a fraction that's essentially a 1. I want the same amount numerator and denominator, but what goes in the numerator and what goes in the denominator makes a difference. So the units that I want to cancel are inches, so I will put that in the denominator. I have 12 inches, and that is equivalent to 1 foot. So now for my fractions, inches in the top, inches in the bottom will cancel. I have 60, the 1 here doesn't matter. It's 60 over 12. My units of measure will be in feet. It's really 60 times 1 over 12. That reduces, I can see it's 5. If not, you can just do it in your calculator. 60 divided by 12 equals. And you get a result of 5 feet. So for part A, the answer is 5 feet. 60 inches is equivalent to 5 feet. And then for B, how many inches are in 60 feet? So again, start with the amount that's given. What's given is 60 feet. I want to convert that. I want to make it inches. So I'm going to multiply by a fraction that's equivalent to a 1. Same amount in the numerator and denominator. So I want to cancel feet. So feet should go in the denominator. So 1 foot. I don't want to write 1 feet. It wouldn't look good. And the equivalent amount that goes in the numerator is 12 inches. Now as I multiply, feet in the numerator, feet in the denominator will cancel. I am left with 60 times 12, and my units of measure will be in inches. 60 times 12 is a big multiplication, but you can do it even without a calculator. Just ignore the 0 in the 60. Just make it 6 times 12. Well, I know 6 times 12 is 72. And that 0 that I ignored, put it back in. So 72 with a 0 after it is 720. Don't forget your units of measure. That's in inches. And if you like, we can write that right next to part B. The answer for B is 60 feet is equal to 720 inches.